Hi everyone. Maths Essay 1 in class 10 is divided into two papers, paper 1, paper 2. Paper 1 contains 40 marks and paper 2 also 40 marks. So part A is 35, part B will be 5 marks. So paper 1 chapters are 5 chapters and the name of the chapters are real numbers, sets, polynomials, pair of linear equations in two variables and quadratic equations. And paper 2 will be having 4 chapters. The name of the chapters are statistics, trigonometry, application of trigonometry and similar triangles. Now we will see the paper 1 and paper 2 question papers along with their solutions. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss summative 1 mathematics paper 2 answer key. Section 1, each question carries 1 mark. First question, find the median of sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60 and sin 90. To find the median of these values, we have to arrange them in the ascending order and the middlemost value will be the median. So sin 45 is nothing but median, which is 1 by root 2. Ladder touches the wall 4 meters above the ground. The distance between the foot of the ladder and wall is 3 meters. Then find the length of the ladder. So we have to find the length of the ladder. This is the wall which is of 4 meters in length, and this is the distance between the foot of the wall and the ladder is 3 meters. To find the length of the ladder, we have to use the Pythagoras triad, Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is nothing but sum of squares of other two sides. Obviously, the other side will be 5 meters. Third question. Krishna told square and rhombus are similar to each other. Do you agree with Krishna? Give reason. I will not agree with Krishna because the square and rhombus are not similar to each other. The reason is corresponding angles in square and rhombus are not equal. State basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to any one side of a triangle, for example, this is a triangle, and if I draw a parallel line DE to one side of a triangle, then it divides the other two sides in the same ratio. So AD by DB is equal to AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, which is nothing but the basic proportionality theorem. One, find the value of sine square 45 plus cos square 45. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. So sine square 45 will be 1 by root 2 whole square. Similarly, cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos square 45 will be 1 by root 2 whole square. Square root cancel of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 value is 1. We'll discuss section 2 now. Each question carries 2 marks. Eighth question, write the formula to find mean of a group data and explain each term. You know the formula for mean, which is A plus sigma Fi di by sigma Fi, where A is assumed mean, F is frequency, D is xi minus A sigma fi or n is nothing but total number of observation, xi is class mark. Ninth question. Length of a shadow of a 15-meter cell tower is 5 root 3 meters at a time. Then find the angle of elevation of the sunrise with the ground at that time. So length of the tower is given as 15 meter. The length of the shadow is given as 5 root 3 meters. We have to find the angle of elevation of the sunrise with the ground. So we have to find theta here. We know the tan theta formula opposite by adjacent side, which is nothing but 15 by 5 root 3, which is equal to root 3. So root 3 is nothing but tan 60. Tan theta is equal to tan 60. Obviously, theta will become 60 degrees. 10th question. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, then find cosecant A. So we know that cot A is 4 by 3. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, then find the value of cosecant A. 3 cot A is equal to 4, obviously cot A will become 4 by 3. Formula for cot is adjacent by opposite, which is nothing but 4 by 3. So in the question, we have to find cosecant A, which is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. If opposite side is 3k, adjacent is 4k, obviously hypotenuse will become 5k based on trigonometric triad strengths. So hypotenuse is 5k, opposite side is 3k, opposite to A is 3k, hypotenuse is 5k. So 5k by 3k is nothing but 5 by 3, which is cosecant A. 11th question. Draw a line segment of length 6.5 centimeters and divide it in the ratio 2 is to 3. So this is how the construction looks, students. Have a look on that. Detailed explanation of this construction is given in the description part. Have a look. Moving on to the 12th question. If tan 7a is equal to cot a minus 6, then find the value of a. Tan 7a can be represented as cot 90 minus 7a because this angle is a complementary angle. So tan 7a and cot 90 minus 7a is one and same. So replacing right hand side as it is cot a minus 6. So cot will be cancelled on either side. 90 minus 7a is equal to a minus 6. We'll take a and angles and numbers to one side. 8a is equal to 96. A will be 12 degrees. 13th question. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is 64 centimeter square and area of triangle PQR is equal to 121 centimeter square. If BC is 8 centimeters, find QR. We know that ratio of areas of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. So 64 by 121 is equal to 8 square by QR square. So we have to do the cross multiplication here, students. QR square into 64 is equal to 8 square into 121. So 64, 8 square is one and same. So 8 square is nothing but 64. I'm cancelling 64 on either side. QR square is equal to 121. QR will be obviously root 121, which is 11 centimeters. 14th question. The marks of 110 students of a school are shown below. Then find the mode for the following data. So mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So this is the mode class because this is the highest frequency. This will become L, this will become F1, F0, F2, and we have to replace these values in the formula, and mode will be 43.33, students. 15th question. Prove that tan theta minus cot theta by tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2 sin square theta minus 1. So this type of questions are important in board exam, students. Take LHS and take the reciprocals wherever required. Use the identity and prove RHS. Hence tan theta minus cot theta by tan theta plus cot theta is 2 sin square theta minus 1. One question from construction is definite question for board exam students. Construct a triangle ABC with side AB is 5, BC is 7, AC is 6 centimeters. Then construct a triangle whose sides are 3 by 4 of corresponding sides of the triangle. So this is the construction, how it looks. And the detailed explanation of this construction is given in the description part. Have a glance on that, students. 17th question is from application of trigonometry chapter. Two men on either side of a temple 30 meters height. This is temple with 30 meters height observes at the top of the angles of elevation of 30 and 60 degrees respectively. So there are two men either side of the temple P and Q. they are making an angle of 30 and 60 degrees respectively. Find the distance between two men. So PQ we have to find. Before finding PQ, we have to take two triangles, triangle APB and triangle ABQ. So if you find using the tan, you will get PB value, which is nothing but 30 root 3 here. PB is 30 root 3. And if you take this triangle ABQ or AQB, we will get QB as 10 root 3 students. So to find the distance between two men, we have to add 30 root 3 plus 10 root 3 to get the distance between two men, P and Q, which is nothing but 40 root 3. So the distance between two men on either side of the temple is 40 root 3 meters.